Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and we got a real short and sweet one for you this time. This is a unit sent in by Steve in Flower Mound, Texas. Steve has requested that this unit be converted for use with a modern reproduction radio that has an aux input. So all the original electronics get ripped out and replaced with my own special bright sounding tape head preamp, and all your control of volume, tone, and balance is done at the radio now, and the only thing that still works on the 8-track would be the program selector switch. So let's go ahead and pop in some Neil Sedaka and make sure this works. Just a quick, make sure both sides are working. Okay, don't need those anymore. Okay, with a blank spot, we'll just make sure that's working correctly. We'll wait for it to either go to the next song or switch tracks. It's switched tracks, so we know that's working correctly. A few more seconds, we'll have some music. There she is. Okay, try another tape just for fun. Okay, man, that's it. There's just not that much to test on this type of unit. So I wish it was that less amount of work too, but oh well, we can't have everything. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. My number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.